Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at inverse proportion problems. So the objective here is to solve inverse proportion problems where, as one quantity increases, the other quantity decreases. So the key idea, for tasks like workers and time, the more workers we have, the less time a task is going to take. So if we have fewer workers, it's going to take more time. So this is the concept of inverse proportion. So as one thing goes up, another thing goes down. So more workers, less time. Here's an example. It takes 3 workers 5 days to complete a task. How long would it take 6 workers to complete the same task? So if I say it takes 3 workers 5 days, we might want to know how long it takes 1 worker. So 1 worker is actually going to take 3 times as long as 3 workers because it's going to be 3 times as much work because that worker doesn't have as much help. So it's going to take 1 worker 15 days because 5 times 3 is 15. So if I only had 1 worker, it would take 15 days. But we don't have 1 worker, we actually have 6 workers. So it's going to take 6 times quicker than it would if we had 1 worker. So what I'm going to do to work out the time it takes 6 workers is I'm going to divide 15 by 6. So 15 divided by 6 is 2.5. So with 6 workers, it's only going to take 2.5 days. So here's another example. It takes 4 workers 12 hours to paint a wall. How long would it take 8 workers to paint the same wall? So it takes 4 workers 12 hours. So if we had 8 workers, we actually have twice as many workers. So it's going to take 2 times less time. So if we have 8 workers, it's only going to take 6 hours. Here's another example. So it takes 5 workers 18 days to complete a job. So how many workers would be needed to complete the same job in 6 days? So we know it takes 5 workers 18 days. So if we had 6 days, we have 3 times less days. So what we would need is 3 times as many workers. So to get from 18 to 6, we divide by 3. So it's going to take 3 times as many workers to complete the job in 3 times less days. So it's going to take 15 workers to do the job in 6 days. So here are some quick fire practice questions on this topic. Pause the video, have a go at these, and I'll reveal the answers in a moment. Okay, so well done if you managed to have a go at those. I've just displayed the answers on the screen, and that's everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!